Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Morning guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. Yo, yesterday we forgot to close the vlog. Yeah, basically we came home late. We're so tired, you know, we just showered and passed out, you know, so yeah. Due to that, we didn't really have a chance to close out the vlog and stuff. But this is day 2 in Como, Italy. And yeah, it was really nice yesterday. What we're trying to do right now is we're trying to get ready. We're trying to get ready for the day, you know. But one thing we realize is that we don't really have, how do you call it, an iron, you know. We don't have I don't know how you call it, but it's an iron, right?
Yes.
It's an iron, yes. We don't have an iron, so, and like usually in places they're gonna put, like in Airbnbs usually they put it, but nah, not here, bro. Everything's perfect except that. So we have to try and find ways to iron our shirts. Not shirts, but my shirt and her dress. So we're looking through TikTok and looking through Google and see if we can find a way of doing it, but it's not easy, bro. It's not easy. So yeah. I'll show you guys what I'm doing now. Someone said we can take hot water, put it inside the pan, and then just put that over the shirts and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna try and do, you know. This is my shirt. Shirt right here. Yeah. I actually hope this works, man. I hope this works because yeah. So yeah, give us a few minutes and then we're gonna come back with the feedback to see if it works or not. Yeah, it's too delicious. Yeah, it was a bit difficult. You know. But yeah, let's go. Minion, let's bounce, babe.
Sento che passeremo un bellissimo weekend.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's take a picture on the mirror.
You're looking stunning.
Okay.
Looking stunning. Looking stunning. So now we're just gonna do pictures. Then yeah. So we're out, guys. Day 2. The sun is coming.
It's a bit chilly today, more than yesterday, because yesterday was so hot.
Yeah.
But today was raining. And now it's sun.
Yeah, but what it's fresh.
Yep.
Yeah, it's fresh today. So we're not gonna sweat so much in this case. Wife looking good as always. Nice dress. Yeah. Yeah. It's a beautiful day.
We close at 5.
Yeah, so fresh, bro. It's too fresh, bro. Yo. Yeah. Living here must be nice, except winter, you know?
Yeah.
I think winter can be a bit hard.
Even summer in Kubochi today.
Yeah, that's true.
You think yesterday is gone?
Yeah.
It might be today also in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's true.
I think.
Got people jogging and stuff, huh? People jogging.
Maybe stressing grandpa.
Yeah. I don't see a line. Do you see a line? Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, I see it. I think I see it.
Yeah.
Bye. That's the line to the ferry.
Go on the ferry or to Bachi?
I think this one on the side is to go on the ferry. And then the one at the back, you see that one with the white guys? Hey, sorry. One at the back, I think that's the one. I think that's the one. So, yeah. That doesn't look so long. You see, that's the ferry that I want. Where you can sit up.
Slow.
That's the slow one. Yeah, because it's smaller. It's smaller than, yeah, let me show you. See, those ones parked there. Those are the small ones, the fast boats. And then the big ones, they're the slow ones.
Almost there, guys. We're almost there. We've been here for like 30 minutes. Yeah. So as you can see that we're almost there. We've been here for 30 minutes. So we're scared that we're going to be here for like 2 hours. But yep.
So guys, we got the tickets
Yes.
to Varena. First we go to Varena.
And Bellagio.
And then from Varena we're gonna take like small boats to Bellagio. Oh sorry.
Yeah.
To Bellagio. Yes. Okay. So yeah.
From which one is first? Bellagio.
Varena first.
They said it's 15 minutes from Verona to Bellagio.
Yeah, by fast
So
boats.
the ferries are going like every 6 minutes.
Yeah. So yeah, so now we're gonna go grab something to eat. Then
Yes.
go stand in the queue so we have energy for the whole day because
The train is the ferry is at 12. Now it's 9:34.
yeah, so we have time. Like we want a good spot, so I wanna get to the line first because we want to be like either
Hopefully.
up or down, you know. We wanna be in a nice spot. So yeah, we're excited. Do we cross from here?
The place is on this curve there. It's not this
The one
side.
that we came from?
It's right straight up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so yeah. Let's see. This reminds me also almost of Rio de Janeiro, you know? Because they have like mountains and stuff. So yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. You know what we're gonna eat.
It's time to eat.
I'ma eat it.
Some sandwiches.
Clean your hands.
Yeah, so how to do this? We're about to eat because we're starving, but hey, they look so big. I don't think I'll finish, man. Look how big they look. They're so huge.
What kind of bread is this?
Yeah. So yeah.
A few inches later.
Waiting for ferry.
We're waiting for the ferry. Yo, it's hot. It's so hot. We don't know why, but it's so hot. Our ferry is at 12. I think we have 1 hour. 1 hour what? I don't know. I still have to wait almost an hour for the ferry. So yeah. Just updating you guys. Updating you guys. Hey, Joe, the sun. Yeah. Me. So yeah. See you guys in a bit. So guys, that might be the boat that we'll be taking. The ferry.
So where do you want us to sit?
I don't know, where do we sit?
You see the front there, there's no shadow. You understand? But maybe the other side. I don't know how it goes in there.
Me too. I don't know.
And the windows you can't open.
See, I see.
Because there's no windows.
Yeah. I'm trying to.
Esse era o foco, esse era o objetivo.
Good day.
Yes.
Che sei in mezzo a chiacchiere. Let's try. Let's try up. Yeah, let's just try see. Is there a place to sit? I think here is better. outside.
Restaurants, yeah.
Yeah.
It's hot. Here is cooler.
This thing is cool,
We're
man.
sitting next to the AC. Is up there.
The AC is right there.
I don't know how to point.
So that's better.
Yeah.
But it's going well so far.
Yeah, so far so good.
Going well.
Yeah.
Enjoying the ride.
We are loving it.
We can't wait to get to the next cities to see. We say we can't wait to get to the next cities so we can
Yes.
see how they are, you know.
Yes. You know, can go there, see there's a street there.
Okay. Wow. Large. It's very large.
Can I have the other phone to take this picture?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Take. Yes. Welcome to the streets of Elijah. It's so pretty, guys. Yo.
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, there's a car coming, Mom. Let's go.
Okay.
So nice.
What's traffic light?
I don't know.
Wow.
So nice.
Ice cream time. Is it come? Eat with me, guys.
We're almost done, though.
Yeah.
I'm almost done.
Because you eat fast. Let's see your ice cream. Yo. Calm down.
It was just so good, you know?
Yeah.
It was so good, bro.
We're sitting in this nice place. Look at this geographical side.
Really nice. The city is beautiful, you know? The city is really nice, beautiful. It looks nice, man.
Yeah.
I would live here.
Notifications from work. Why?
Why?
I wouldn't live here. Would you live here?
No, I'm afraid to fall.
You're afraid to fall. Yeah. Everything's like tight.
And it's expensive because it's for tourists, so I can't.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
But it's really nice. So far, the trip has been amazing.
Just tired, no?
Now it's like I can't wait to go back to the Airbnb and just sleep.
Just rest.
Hey. I can't wait.
Can't wait to go back and rest.
I have to go again on like the ferry 2 hours. Now I see why there's a fast one, you?
Yeah, the
I
first one
understand
looks so
why.
ugly, but I think when you are not in the mood to stay on the ferry, it's the best option.
Yeah. Because the ferry takes time. Almost 2 hours now.
I'm trying to cover that so it doesn't feel uncomfortable.
Yeah. Almost 2 hours. So,
Is that water safe to drink?
looks like you should get back with the fountain.
Wow.
Yeah. Should have put in the fountain.
Yeah.
So yeah. On to the next location. Whatever that is.
Yes.
Huh?
Maybe that hedge because it's green.
Which one? I'll buy it. Don't worry.
Thank Allah! It's cold outside!
Yes.
I haven't seen anything that costs less than 5 euros.
Yeah. Wow. Maybe you won't be like this. Maybe you won't be like this.
It's weird.
Yeah, very weird.
It's weird.
I feel like I'm on fall, you know? Yeah. The hair smells good, man.
This place is like a white house.
Yeah, I also think so.
By the time we're gonna sleep, I'm good.
So tired.
Yeah.
These things should be working, you know?
Yes, take a picture.
Yeah.
You need to connect to Bluetooth. What time?
Yeah. Let's send this. I'll take a screenshot. We'll take a screenshot.
Let's see what we are seeing in the past. A nice view.
All right. It looks good.
Is that the place where you have to
What? No, that's not that. You wanna go see? I mean, you wanna go see?
No.
No? So what is this going for?
Some people are going on the ferry.
Oh, on the boat. Okay. So where are you trying to go?
Let's take pictures with the view.